thanks for coming. This is a great opportunity for me. Coming from Sheldon for the last 12 years, I was a community development director for Sheldon, and Rosenboom Machine Tool was inspirational to not only what I did in my profession over there, but also for the community support that they provided, a lot of the development and success that Sheldon had done currently, and more importantly, where Sheldon is going. So it's great to see the leadership team in here. Larry, hello again. Thanks for driving down. Justin and Brian are here too. So with the family, it's just so great to see your guys' commitment to the communities to be able to be here today and help us celebrate what we're doing with Manufacturing Month and the importance of manufacturing in our small communities.
This is an integral part of the economy of Spirit Lake and has been for a long time. And so the city's always been excited to have you here and lucky to have a facility like this available. Brings a lot of people here, and a lot of people the last few years have actually found places to live here and work here, which has been a challenge. So we're excited about that.
I'll go through a quick overview. As in the video said, here's where we're at. Our headquarters in Sheldon, about 370 employees, 285,000 square feet. Here where we're at, 264,000 square feet, 380 employees also, and then we have a facility in Bowling Green, Ohio, about 180 employees, 190,000 square feet. So a little timeline on our history. I started in 1974, founded by my parents, Lary and Vivian, as a tool and die company. Began cylinder production in 1977. A local company brought a cylinder to Lary. I think he took that apart and said, I can make that, and that's kind of the origin of where we're at. He was able to help him through a problem and continued from there. Throughout the 80s, we were very early in computerized machining, CNC machining. That was a little bit of starting our growth period throughout the 80s. We were a CNC job shop and also a hydraulic cylinder manufacturer. As we moved forward into the 90s, we concentrated more on just hydraulic cylinders. Started early on in robotic welding. Had a little bit of difficulty hiring the number of welders we needed, so started working in robotics there. Began our lean journey in the late 90s. Started with robot loading, and then this facility, we broke ground on that in 99, so time flies. Been here almost 25 years now. 2004, we started some global sourcing operations and acquired our Bowling Green facility. 2009, our 5 millionth cylinder was produced, and by 17, we were up to 10 million. And at that point, we had installed our 100th robot in our production facilities across all 3 facilities. And then next year is going to be our 50th anniversary, so we're looking forward to that. A little bit of our sales growth over the last 30 years. We've averaged actually an annualized over 10% growth, and that's 3 times the industry average. So we're hoping pretty soon there won't be any market share left to take. Different markets we serve, and we're a mobile hydraulic cylinder manufacturer, and those markets primarily are those top 5: construction, agriculture, refuse, electrical utility, and military. You can see some of the types of equipment there that our cylinders are used on. But we are pretty diversified across all of the mobile hydraulic markets. A little sampling of our customers. A few recognizable names on there.
Most of our growth, it comes from our customers. We have having a good customer base. The reason why we're in Spirit Lake is the fact that back in 99, I think it was 98, we were getting a contract that we need 200 more employees. So we were going to either have to expand in Sheldon or find a place to build a plant. And but building a plant, all of a sudden you got to build the workforce also. So there was a lot of contortion that went on there. We looked in South Dakota, Minnesota, and then the northwest Iowa here in Spirit Lake, and we landed on the fact that we're going to build a Spirit Lake. And then a sizable plant, I think we built 250,000 square feet.
Yeah.
This whole plant, except for the painting system. And we took a few people from Sheldon and started ground up and then built it. Naturally, over the years, technology keeps changing. And one of the advantages that we probably have is the fact that we have a tooling culture, how to build things to make things go faster. And that's what caused a lot of our growth, the question that you're getting at. But yeah, when we started, it was a mom and pop shop, and we were going to make tooling for manufacturers. I thought the most I'd have was 10 employees, but now we're at 900. As we grew, the key things is finding good people. Managers and employees, you look out there and you walk through there, and the thing that I see, all these young people that have started here that with no skill set they have today. That's amazing if you really think about it, how they do stuff.